Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay November 15, 2023 Wednesday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong November 15, 2023 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Wednesday, November 15, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for November 15, 2023, Wednesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 14.5 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 29.7 million pesos for Wednesday, November 15, 2023. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of November 15, 2023, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.